Hey everybody, it's Gary Daniel here, co-founder of the AI Wellness Universe, where soulful health meets smart strategy. If you've ever felt nervous about creating videos or thought, I'm not techie enough for that, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few simple tools and steps that will help you start creating videos for your website, social media, or online programs, even if this is day one of your entrepreneurial journey. So let's start with the basics. How to record your video. You don't need fancy gear or a big setup. The camera on your phone or laptop works perfectly. Just make sure you're in a quiet, bright space where people can see you and hear you clearly. Use your smartphone or webcam and record in a quiet spot so your voice is easy to hear, and also sit near a window or use a small light to brighten your face. That's all you need to start. Pretty simple, right? The goal is to connect, not to be perfect. And before you hit the record button, know what you want to say. You don't need a full script, just a few key points. Think of it like talking to one person who needs your help. Write down 3 simple things, like what's the main message? Why does it matter? And what's one action you want your viewer to take? This is important. If you'd like a little extra help, you can use our easy AI system inside the AI Wellness Universe to create a clear, natural script that sounds like you. It'll help you organize your thoughts and speak with confidence, even if you're just starting out. And if you prefer, use a simple teleprompter app like Big Voo to keep your words flowing naturally, because clarity builds confidence, and confidence comes from preparation. So once your video is recorded, it's time to make it shine. And this part is easier than you think, really. You can use free or beginner-friendly tools like CapCut, Opus Clip, Big Voo, or even Canva video editor to trim mistakes, add titles, or drop in background music. Keep it simple. Cut out long pauses or extra chatter. Editing isn't about perfection. It's about helping your message flow naturally. So now, let's make your video feel like you. You can use tools like Canva or Vista Create to add your colors, logo, and simple animations. Choose music or visuals that match your energy, peaceful, empowering, or upbeat. Your brand doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to feel consistent. This is so important. If your video feels calm and kind, people will remember that energy long after they scroll away. This is big. And once your video is ready, share it. Start small. Post it on 1 or 2 platforms you're already using. Publer is a great tool to share your videos and images on all of your social media channels for maximum impact. You can upload or share your videos to Instagram or Facebook for quick visibility, or LinkedIn for more professional videos, and YouTube for long-term reach. And don't forget to include a call to action. This is so important. And link to your landing page in the description to offer your services, products, and to grow your email list. Of course, you will also want to embed your videos on your website and in your funnel pages to build instant trust with visitors and aid with conversions and sales. Don't worry about being perfect. Your first few videos are simply practice. And have fun. Laugh at yourself and your mistakes. We all make mistakes all the time. Not a big deal. And every time you post, you learn, you grow, and connect with more people who need what you offer. Makes sense, right? And here are a few extra tools that can save you time. You can use the AI Wellness Universe video generator to create professional videos in minutes using AI, and Canva to create everything from thumbnails to video templates. And Opus Clip is great for quick editing for social media. And then again, Publer for sharing across several platforms at once. This is a great tool. Use what feels easy and skip for now what feels overwhelming. The goal is progress, not perfection. Creating videos is one of the fastest ways to grow your confidence, your brand, and your business. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. And remember, your face builds trust, your voice builds connection, and your message builds momentum. So start simple, speak from the heart, and let your purpose shine through every video you create. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with another wellness entrepreneur who's ready to grow with peace and purpose. And if you'd like a step-by-step system for creating videos faster with AI, templates, and strategy built in, visit our website at aiwellnessuniverse.org, where creativity meets clarity. And consider coming to an event or joining our step-by-step business growth program, where purpose meets profit. Start with your free AI-augmented client profile, custom marketing strategy, and your specific 90-day content plan that we give you on this free call. Whether you purchase anything or not, the link is in the description. I'm Gary Daniel, and as always, lead with peace, create with purpose, and grow with confidence. Thank you for joining me here in the AI Wellness Universe, where soulful health meets smart strategy. Keep showing up for your mission, keep sharing your light, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.